Good morning dear students. I hope you all are safe at home and are doing regular studies. Okay. In previous week we studied the topics and they are rules for writing the field name. In how many ways we can create a table in MS Access, and what are the uses of data type, field names and the description field. Other topics were the how to set the field properties, how to add any record, how to edit any record, how to delete any record and how to sort a record. So these topics we studied and the chapter was finished. Now we are going to do the exercise of this chapter. So let's start it. The first part is tick the correct option. Okay. In this question you are having 4 options and you have to choose the correct option out of these all. Okay. So the first one is tick the correct option. The first one is arranging the records in a particular order is called. Means when we arrange records in a particular order, so what it is called? So sorting is to arrange the records in a particular order. Sorting means we are arranging the records in a particular series, that is ascending to descending or descending to ascending order. Okay. So the answer will be sorting. Okay. Second one, blank. It is a unique field in table. Options are primary key, composite key, secondary key and none of these. We know that in our table we consider one field as a unique field and that is known as primary key. What is primary key? It do not match with anyone. When we have to find any record, so we find that record, so we retrieve the information from that record according to the primary key. With the help of the primary key, we are able to do it because it do not match with anyone. So the answer will be primary key. Third question is the process of displaying the information from the table is called. Okay. It means when we are displaying the records from the table, then what it is called? Options are query, report, form, wizard. Okay. It is clear to us that when we represent or when we display the information from the table, then we take the help of the form. Means with the help of the form we are able to display the informations of any table. So the answer will be form. Next question is, it stores a sequential number for every record in a table. Means it stores sequential number. Sequential number means series number and options are serial, auto number, autofill and time date. We know that auto number means automatically we are giving the number in the form of a series. Okay, so the answer will come auto number. The next question is, a table can be created by using. Means it is asking in how many ways we can create the table. So the first one is design view, second one is datasheet view, third one is templates and the fourth one is all of these. We know that we can create a table in 3 ways. The first one is with the help of design view, second is with the help of datasheet view and the third one is by using the templates. So we will write all of these. Means the correct answer is all of these. Answers of A part are fourth auto number, and fifth is all of these. Okay. Now the next question is write T for true and F for false, and we have to correct the false statement. Okay. So the first one is there are two types of database. Okay. We know that we studied only two types of database. So it is a true statement. So we will write true in this answer. Okay. B is true, false, and the first one is true because there are only two types of the database, and they are flat file database and relational database. The second one is navigation pane is present on right side of the MS Access window. Okay. This question is related to components of MS Access window, and we studied it. That what are the components of MS Access window and where they are located. Okay. So we know that navigation pane is present at left side of the MS Access window. So it is a false statement. And what is the correct statement for it? We have to cut right and we have to write here left. Okay. So it is a false statement, and to make it correct, we will cut right and we will write here left. So it will become the true statement. Next one is the maximum size of number field is 32 bytes. This question is related to the types of data types. Okay, we know that there are 9 types of database. They are text, number, memo, auto number, OLE, date time, yes, no, lookup wizard, and these are. Okay, so and we have studied about the limitations of the size of the database also. So the size of the number field is 16 bytes. It is not 32 bytes. So it is a wrong statement. And how we will correct it? We will cut 32 and we will write there 16. It is a false statement. We will cut this 32 and we will write here 16. Then it will become the true statement. Next one is field name can begin with underscore. Okay. This is related to rules for writing field name. What are the rules for writing the field name? The character length should be 64 character only. Maximum is 64. It can't start with a space. Okay. It doesn't include quotation marks. These are the things. But field name can begin with underscore. It is a true statement. So no need to correct it. It is a true statement. Okay. Now the next one is fill in the blanks using the words given. Fill-ups. In fill-ups you are having options also, and they are field, short, table, primary, and navigation. These are the options available for the fill in the blanks. Okay. The first is the collection of related records is called. Means where we are able to find the related records. We know that in MS Access window we stores the records in the form of a table. Okay. So the answer will be table. The first answer is table. Means this is the answer of first fill-up. Next is the columns in a table represent. Means it is showing that what is the use of any column and what is the use of any row. We know that in MS Access columns are known as fields and row are known as records. How we are able to learn it? Record and R starts with the letter R. So it is easy to learn, and then column represents fields. So in this answer field will come. The columns in a table represent fields and row represents records. Okay. So it will come field. This is the second answer. Now third question is, the blank key is defined in order to show the uniqueness of the data. It is asking that in a table, if we are going to find the uniqueness of the data, so which key we will use? So the answer will be primary key, because a primary key is used to uniquely identify the records in a table. Okay, so the answer will be primary key. This is the third. Key is already present there, so you will write only primary key. Fourth one is, it is used to sort the data either in ascending or descending order. We know that sort feature is used to arrange the records in particular order, either in ascending or descending order. So the answer will come here, sort. It is the answer of fourth fill-up. The last one is blank buttons are used to navigate through the records. It is asking that how we can navigate through record. Navigate means how we can move from record to record. So the answer will be navigation buttons. Okay, navigation is the answer and button is already present in the question. So you will write here the navigation. The answer, navigation is the fifth fill-up answer. The answers are following. First one table, second one field, third one primary key, fourth one short, fifth one navigation. Okay, so these are the three questions. Now we are going to do write short note on the following one. Okay, the first one is primary key. Okay, so its answer we will write short note. First it is written here short note. We have to write a short note. The first one is primary key. Okay, so the answer will be, you can find the answer from the report points of page number 27 also, and if you are not having book, I am writing the answers also. Okay, so what is primary key? So you will write primary key is a unique field which is used to uniquely find the records in a table. Means with the help of primary key, you are able to find the unique record of a particular user from the table. Okay. Second one is report. So its answer will be the final result. The final result of the manipulated data that comes from table or queries in our DBMS, means database management system, is known as report. It is used to, or you can say it is specially designed to print the data. The third one is, what is query? So query means, we know that it is a simple question. So query allows you to retrieve means to find. Query allows you to retrieve information from a table based on some criteria or condition. Criteria or condition. The last question is, what is form? Form is when a query runs, the system retrieves the information from the table and makes it available to user through form. Means with the help of form we are making it available to the user. So these are the question answers. Now these question answers and the exercise you will do in the notebook by using blue black pen. In the book also you will do the exercise, and in the notebook also you will do the exercise. Okay, thank you.